Anaconda or Jupyter notebook in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. So let's start here. So I have already downloaded Anaconda 3.9 version. So I will provide my Google Drive where you can download this Anaconda 3.0 and follow the instruction whatever I am following here. So let's start here. So this is Anaconda 3.9 version and just double clicking on this software package, so it is started for the installation process. Okay, so click on the next. I agree. It is an installation for the just me or all user, so it is a recommended for just me, so click on the next. And provide the means this is destination folders on the C drive will be start, and the 3.7 GB space will be take. So okay, so fine, click on the next. uh, it is saying register Anaconda 3 as my default Python or add Anaconda 2 by environment Python variable. So just let be default. It is started for the installation process. As soon as this installation, this green line will be completed, I will show you the further stuff. So for this moment, I am pausing the video, and what the next instruction will be there, I will follow you. So click on the next and click on the next. This means this is default checkbox is included. So I'm unchecking because it will be landed to official web page of Anaconda. So I'm not going for that. So for that reason, I am uncheck here. Click on the finish. Now your Anaconda package or Jupyter notebook is successfully installed. So now you can come your Windows search bar here and type Anaconda. So one Anaconda prompt will be open. So here you can see that your Python 3.9 is there. This is a Anaconda prompt, and if you are directly opening Jupyter Notebook, so you can search here Jupyter Notebook. So this will become Jupyter Notebook, and click on that. So this will be create one default browser. What will be your default browser? So in that default browser, this Jupyter Notebook will be open. So this is the means baby UI for the Jupyter notebook. So here you can click on new and the Python 3. So one Python's notebook will be created here. So the official kernel is starting kernel ready. So now you can print uh, hello world here. Hello, Python. And to run this, you can either click on the run, or you simply suppose if you are in this one, just you have to use shift plus enter, so it will automatically run. So let's uh, print 20 and shift plus enter to run that, so it will become. So I will explore more about for this UI ways for Jupyter notebook. So this is means you can verify, and all the means in the Anaconda distributions lot of packages which come like pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, and some machine learning library, and some deep learning library also come here. So this is the means advantage. And in the Anaconda you can create virtual environment. It also very beneficial for the specific requirement for creating a virtual environment. So that's all for this video. I hope you will yeah, that's all. So thank you for watching the video. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more upcoming video.